Welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to level up your entertainment experience. If you're a Twitch fan and you own a Samsung Smart TV, you're in for a treat. We're going to guide you through the simple steps to bring the world of Twitch streaming to your TV screen. So grab your controller and let's dive right into the action. Imagine watching your favorite streamers, epic gaming battles, and hilarious moments from the Twitch community on a big, immersive screen. That's exactly what we're about to help you achieve. With Twitch on your Samsung Smart TV, you can join live chats, support your favorite streamers, and never miss a gaming moment again. Before we jump into the action, let's ensure that your Samsung Smart TV is compatible with the Twitch app. Turn on your TV and grab the remote. Navigate to the App Store or Content Hub on your TV. Search for Twitch in the search bar and see if it's available. If your TV is compatible, let's get Twitch installed on your Samsung Smart TV. Access the App Store or Content Hub from your TV's home screen. Search for Twitch using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the official Twitch app, click Download. Now that the app is downloaded, it's time to connect to your Twitch account. Launch the Twitch app from your TV's app drawer. Use the on-screen prompts to log in with your Twitch credentials. After logging in, you can personalize your Twitch experience with your favorite channels and streamers. And there you have it, folks. You're now all set to enjoy the Twitch universe on your Samsung Smart TV. From cheering on your favorite streamers to participating in live chats, your TV just became your ultimate gaming companion. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep gaming and keep streaming.